Okay, so for the ingredients, you're first going to need licorice powder. This is one of my favorite ingredients. It lightens scars, it fades away spots, and brightens your skin. Next, you will need sandalwood powder. It removes any kind of stubborn suntan, it reduces wrinkles, and it also fights acne by not letting your skin produce extra sebum and extra oil. Next you will need is lemon peel powder. You can also use orange peel powder if you have that, but this really helps remove scars, it lightens uneven skin tone, fades any kind of discoloration. It's really good for your skin. Next, I like to use aloe vera powder. It hydrates your skin, brightens your skin, it provides glow, and it also improves skin texture. If you also have the natural aloe vera plant, it works well as well. And lastly, as mixing medium, you will need green tea. Now I like using organic green tea leaves, but if you also have the tea bags, you can use that, but I find these leaves to be more effective, so that's why I like using this. So once you've taken equal parts of all these powders, you're just going to mix it into a thick consistency. Now, if it is possible for you guys to do it, then please take steam before you do this mask. It will really help. If you cannot do steam, then just wash your face with some warm water. That will help as well. And if you're lazy to do that also, then just use some hot towel around your face. It will have the same effect. So I'm just going to put my hair behind. Now, as you can see, I have pigmentation here, but this side it's only I can't talk. It's mostly because you can see my veins here, and that's why it causes that darkness. But otherwise also I can notice a lot of slight discoloration here, and I want to get rid of that. You can use this mask obviously all over your face. When I'm taking a shower, I like to use it around my neck also, because if you are a girl of color, you know your neck can start getting dark with age. So I like to use it around my neck as well, just to maintain the skin over there. Now, another thing is, if you have extremely stubborn pigmentation that you feel is not like going, then use rice flour in this mask as well. So instead of washing the mask off when it is dried, you're just going to scrub it and remove all the dead skin cells that are around that area, so that you can so that the mask will get absorbed easily and will be more effective. Now, I already used this mask today, but I'm still going to apply it on my face just to show it to you guys. If you want to use it all over your face, you can do it. It's extremely good for your entire face as well. Or if you have pigmentation just around your mouth, you can use it there. I'm going to use it just around my mouth now, because I used it all over my face some time back. Now I'm just going to let this dry, and then since I've not used rice flour in this, I'm just going to wash it off. But remember, if you use rice flour, to scrub it before you wash it, so that it really helps your skin. So I'm just going to let this dry, wash it off, and be back. Now, once you've washed off your face, always go in with some kind of serum that will add to the effectiveness of the mask. Now, lately I've been doing something which is a little extra. A lot of you all must be thinking it's extra, but trust me, it has changed my skincare game. My skin has overall improved really well. Now, if you follow me, you know I have extremely dry skin, but there are days, like by the end of the day, my T-zone can get really oily. So whenever I use a very heavy serum for my entire face, the rest of my face is hydrated and really plump, but the center is usually extremely oily. So I have started using different serums for different areas, and that has been working really well for me. As of now, I have pigmentation issue here, I have oily T-zone, and I have extremely dry skin around the rest of my area. Is that whenever you are trying to treat a particular problem, focus only on one problem at a time. Like for example, now since I'm dealing with this pigmentation and discoloration issue here, I'm not doing anything else. I just use this mask and like the serums. So focus on one problem at a time, and I think it'll become easier and simpler that way. And the results will be much more faster and you can see the effectiveness of the mask. Now I use 3 serums. Obviously for my pigmentation here I use this vitamin C and vitamin E serum, and for my T-zone I use this tea tree and papaya oil control serum. This is a very nice serum if you have oily skin, guys. It works really well. And for the rest of my area I'm going to use my favorite, which is the rose hip serum. So I'll just show you how I'm going to use it. Now as you can see in these clips, guys, I take that particular serum and use it wherever I need it. Like I'm using the rosehip oil on the outer parts of my face where I'm mostly extremely dry, and the tea tree and papaya serum I like using just around my nose, because sometimes when I use heavy serums that area can get really oily. And then I'm also going to use the vitamin C just around my mouth, and trust me, doing this has really made my skin look and feel extremely good. So that's it, guys. That's it for today's video. I know applying so many serums for different skin conditions seems like a bit of hard work. It seems like it's too much, too extra also, but trust me, when you wake up in the morning your skin will look so amazing. Like there won't be that excess oil, there won't be any excess dryness, because you're just treating that certain area with whatever issue it's going through. And I've been loving, doing this to my face, like using serum this way. So try it. I promise you will see amazing results. So try this routine, guys. If you have pigmentation, if you have a lot of discoloration, it will definitely help you out. It's not necessary you have to use these masks just on your face. You can use it on your stomach, on your neck, on your back, wherever you want any kind of discoloration to fade away. You can always use this. I will leave the link to everything I've used in the description box. You can check it out, and I will meet you guys in my next video. Until then, bye. Here's a close-up of my skin that I forgot to show you guys. Aka's growing old. Right now I'm sweating, but yeah, your skin will look amazing in the morning. Use it, you will definitely see results. Bye.